Sexy little bitch put on her mink lash. I'm talking Gucci glass or Chanel team jacket. She gon' get it without accent. She on queen status.
First, I am going to start by taking out my edges. I don't really have much, but you know, we gotta do what we can do with the ones that we do get, okay? So I'm just gonna take out enough. Okay, so now that we got this together, we're now going to basically mold the ponytail. And we want it like in the center, not too much at the top. We want it to be all up here, but you do want to have it in a good position in the front middle. I saw this girl I follow on TikTok. She did her hair like this. And I was like, oh my God, it is so cute. I know it would look so cute on me. So I tried on my little sister first because we kind of pretty much got like the same head shape or whatever. So I tried it on her first and I really liked it. So I was like, okay, we're gonna try it on ourselves. Okay, so we got that out the way. Now we're going to be going in with this shiny gem right here. Y'all know I usually like to use a regular shiny gem, but I went to the store today and I wasn't able to find any, so I got to use this. Still shiny gem, but it's shea butter, which I'm thinking it's gonna be really greasy, but we're gonna have to use it because it's better than nothing. So I'm going to put this on first, mold my ponytail. Now I'm gonna go in with this. Now I'm gonna go in with this edge control. Couldn't find the edge control that I normally use, which is the Ebony. So I'm gonna have to go with this. The brand is Taisha, and it is True Edge Plus Controller. True Edge Controller Plus. I don't know, but we have to go in with that because we couldn't find our original regular edge control. I got my little knot up here, and this is the hair that I'm gonna be using today. I just had no luck trying to find what I usually use, because y'all know I usually use the organic hair, but they had it there, but they didn't have the length that I needed. Like, I was gonna go for more like a shorter in length, like a 14, 16 or something, but they had like 24 inch, 30 inch, and I'm doing a short ponytail, so it was like unnecessary for me to be buying 24, 30 inch hair for the price that it was, and I didn't even need it because I was gonna cut it. So I ended up finding this. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's an 18 inch, and I got it in the color 1B, and it's $9.99, and I get 2 bottles. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work, how it is going to perform, but we're going to press our luck. The brand is, I'm gonna leave it off to the side. It is Kima Master, and it says that it is no tangle, no shed, and it's like, is this human hair or Remy hair, y'all? And then it also says that you can like use the flattering up to 350 degrees up on it. So we're gonna see, because I am gonna need to like kind of bump my hair under. So we're gonna see how this hair performs. If it works good, then I may start using this, because it is a little cheaper than the organic hair. Then that you get 2 bundles for $9.99. I'm not expecting the best quality. This is how it looks. Definitely, the bundles are definitely not big, like thick at all. So that's probably one downside to it, which I was expecting, because you're paying $4 for a bundle. You're not gonna get much, but I'm glad that it comes with 2. And I also have a pack of hair left over from my other hairstyle that I did in my birthday photo shoot. I got a bundle of that hair left, so if this is not enough, then I'm just going to use that, even though it's body wave, but I'll just have to flat iron it. So yeah, this is how big the whip is. So definitely, like I said, not a lot at all. So we're gonna see. I'm not even gonna really include me wrapping the hair around too much. Probably just gonna do like a time lapse, because y'all already know how I do this part. This part is pretty common sense. And so I'm gonna add this other pack, this other bundle, because it's not as full. And this is the organic hair that I used in my last video. This is much longer. You see the difference? All the way, all of this. The other one, that's why it's $9.99. It feels like some good hair, but it's $9.99 because of that. So let me go add this bundle of hair and then I'll be back. I'm gonna add my wraparound, which is, I like to use braiding hair. I'm gonna get a little bit, not too much, should be enough. This is how it looks with the wraparound on there. More like a ponytail that I was going for. Okay, so now we just need to flatter and cut this on. I think I'm gonna plug the flat iron up right here. Couldn't cut it myself, so I got help from my mama. But now I'm just about to do my edge. I'm gonna take this edge control. This is how it looks once I did my edges and everything. Really, really cute. It's a little short though. Like I said, I had to get help from my mama to cut it because I couldn't cut on my own because I'm left-handed. So I was like, I wanted this short. Then when she actually cut it, it was like really short. But I like it though. I've never had nothing like this short before. So it's pretty cute to me. I still gotta bump it under. But this is the end of this video. I'm going to include like some little pictures and videos that I make with this hairstyle once I actually put my clothes on and stuff. I am about to get ready and film the rest of my birthday vlog. So I'm about to get ready to do makeup. If y'all go to that video, then you guys will see me basically fix up this hairstyle, like bump it under. I can get ready with me, makeup and everything like that for the part 2 of my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like how this video turned out and the hairstyle turned out, make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and put down in the comment box below how you guys feel about this hairstyle. Is it cute on me or what? Because I think I'm feeling it. I still have to flatter this more, as you guys can see, but for the most part it's really, really cute. And with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
My bitch bad and she killing them.